Welcome to the Decor Lab. Today, we're diving into the world of rustic luxury, where the warmth of nature meets the elegance of luxury. Let's explore some unique ideas to elevate your space with this timeless decor style. Choosing natural materials. Natural elements for timeless elegance. When decorating with a rustic luxury theme, natural materials like raw wood and stone are essential. For a touch of sophistication, pair them with metallic elements like brass or gold, which add a sense of elegance while maintaining that grounded, earthy feel. For instance, a raw wooden table paired with a vintage brass lamp creates a stunning focal point in any room. Neutral color palette. Neutral tones for a calm and cozy atmosphere. The color palette in rustic luxury tends to focus on neutral tones like beige, white, and gray. These shades bring a calm and relaxing vibe. To add more depth and interest, incorporate accents like faux fur pillows or textured wool rugs with subtle patterns. These details not only enhance the aesthetics but also add warmth and coziness to your space. Natural and ambient lighting. Lighting, the key to a bright and elegant space. Lighting is key in this decor style. Maximize natural light through large windows and complement it with elegant chandeliers or table lamps to create a soft, warm ambience. The balance between natural and artificial lighting helps make your space feel bright and airy. A carefully chosen chandelier can immediately elevate the room, adding a touch of luxury while keeping the rustic charm. Thoughtful decor accents. Unique accents to add depth and personality. Lastly, accessories are what tie the whole look together. Opt for pieces with a story, like handcrafted ceramic vases, simple landscape paintings, or vintage items that add character and depth to your space. These small touches bring a sense of individuality and elegance to your home. Thank you for watching. I hope these rustic luxury ideas have inspired you to transform your space. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Decor Lab for more decor tips and inspiration. See you in the next video.